So, nandito kami sa mall na hindi namin alam kung saan. Tignan nyo ang cellphone namin. Parehong lowbat. Kasi naman, picture ng picture. Ang tanging may charge na lang sa amin ay itong camera na ito. Kaya kung ito na ang huling message na matatagpuan nyo kami. Ayaw pa magtanong ni Mami. Itatanong mo lang naman where is Talat Noy. Nag-charge? Better to just go home in our apartment and just like
Okay, so where's the apartment?
462
Pla Road?
Yeah, 462 Pla Sabi niya lahat daw ng wini-wish dito sa Erwan Temple. Nagiging bading.
Ito lang may intention talaga yun.
Sawadee ka!
Day 1 here in Bangkok. First, we're going to Songwat Road. Yun na, magka-cafe hunting kami doon. So, let's go! Going to eat first sa sinadjust ng friend ko na Michelin daw. So, let's go! I'm gonna eat some duck and they're gonna eat the oyster. Eat this. Let me taste the duck. Here's the duck.
Basta lang.
Oh. Sarap.
Fried. Ito yung
nagulat ako dun sa nag-burst sa big.
Ito, spicy.
Oras na para i-rate ang mga kinain naming food dito sa Naimong Hoi Fun na Michelin restaurant. Yung duck for me, 9 out of 10. Mabilis akong naumay. Pero masarap siya. Yung steamed oyster, 10 out of 10. Yung fried oyster, 9.5 out of 10. Mas gusto ko yung steamed. Kaya tinirahan ako ng mami ng isa. Picture.
Pad Thai. Best. Maybe 9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Why?
Masarap siya, pero syempre, dapat laging may room for improvement.
And then, the duck. How about the duck? How about tak-pak-pak? You ate tak-pak-pak.
Sa masarap o masarap, mga 8.5.
Ah, yeah.
Masarap siya.
What's your rate?
Rate, it's
Sa duck.
8.8.
8.8 over 10. And then, your food, the fried oyster.
Blunt because it's dry.
Yeah.
Comparable with
The steamed one.
The steamed one. I like the steamed one.
The fried one.
It's at 6.8.
Steamed. 8.8. This one, steamed 9. Okay. So, those are our ratings. So, kamusta naman ang food niya?
Sarap.
It's yummy.
Yummy.
What's your rate? How are you? What's your rate?
Very yummy, actually.
Di ba? Malasa siya, no? How are you? Did you like it?
Over 969.
I got the yuzu soda here at Local Boy. So I'm gonna taste this. Let's go! So ngayon, it's our second coffee shop. And hoping na makasecure siya. Kasi bestseller na in-order mo. Yes, ginaya niya na order ko. So, sana masarap. So, ang rating mo dun sa una mong order, ay dun sa una nating coffee na in-order mo, yung black tea. 1 over 10. Ako, itong in-order kong yuzu soda, I think, it's 6 out of 10. Yan. Kasi tang-adis din yung sa mga citrus lover. Ayan. Okay yan. Yung yuzu. You're gonna like it. But for me, it's 6 out of 10. Hey. Ang aming tour guide. Nasa Central World na kami. Hinahanap ko si Frin. Frin, where are you? Ano ba naman itong tour guide namin?
Ito. Saan tayo? Okay, papunta tayo dito.
We're going to Erewhon Temple.
Erewhon Temple! Hello! Let's go!
Sabi niya, lahat daw ng wini-wish dito sa Erewhon Temple.
Magiging bading.
So, tapos na kaming mag-pray sa Erewhon. And we hope lahat ng prayers namin ay matupad. Nakuha na namin ang cruise na magsasara ng 7:30. Nakarating kami ng 7:21. Hindi pa umaandar yung cruise na hihilo na.
We are now leaving Icon Siam, and our first spot for this evening cruising is the King Ramanate Beach.
Time to do, but there's the only way around.
Hello. Hey guys, so day 2 na namin dito sa Bangkok, and ang gagawin namin today ay mag-rent ng uniform to become a student. Ayaw namin maging estudyante dati, pero ngayon ay magiging Thai student kami dito sa Bangkok. Wala kami talagang itinerary for today, like chill day lang din ulit to. Pero yun nga, ang balak namin mag-rent ng uniform, and then after that, sa gabi, since birthday ni Conde, kami ay mag-party. Hi! We're going to eat muna. Then, we're gonna rent some Thai uniform. At kinas the flowers, as if for hours. It's so init. It's so init. Smile, mommy. Smile. Swadika. Aray ma.
ABS-CBN mula sa produksyon ng Star Creatives, ang isang bagong obra. Minsan lang magsasama-sama ang pinakamalalaking bituin sa isang dekalibreng drama.
Our third day, and we're going to the temple. Tawagin mo na si Kunsam, girl.
Naka-unicorn?
Oo, naka-unicorn. I wish ng tanong. Uy! Namtan film! So, ano mo nang wish mo makuha?
Siyempre, Amy Bonnie.
Amy Bonnie. Ano yan? Actually, nandito na kami sa filming location ng Wheelstar XOXO. Yay! Girl, yung station nito, ano siya, 950 meters ang layo. From ano nga station yun? Samyot Station. So, dun kayo bababa. Pagbaba nyo, almost 1 kilometer walk. And then, ayun, mag-milk tea kayo dito. Dito sa Wheelstar XOXO, meron silang yung bike ni Munam, tapos mga figurine na bike. Sa lahat ng napunta nating GL filming locations, ano ang pinaka?
Siguro. Hindi ko ano eh.
Ay, biglang wala nang sagot. Kanina may sagot siya. Lahat. Okay.
Parang feeling ko perfect yung sequence. Pero ito, perfect na ending. Parang ang chill lang. Tapos ang lit din niya.
How about you?
Ay, sinat tayo kasi walang mga tao.
Yeah.
Lalo sa our house.
Lalo sa our house kanina. Solong-solo natin. Ikaw? Our house. Ako din ay our house. Although, nagustuhan ko sa, dun sa affair na pinuntahan natin. Kasi nga, marami tayong ine-reenact doon. Pero yung parang pinaka-chill, ito, peaceful, tapos chill yung nasa our house. Tsaka namin kasi revelation doon eh.
So, parang
Oo. Ngayon, ang problema namin guys, low bat ang cellphone ko 2%, ikaw, dead bat, ikaw, 6%. Mukhang dito na kami titira. Mayroon sunduin mo na kami. It's good to end the day. With this. Ayun ba yan?
Uy, Papi! May sasakyan.
So, nandito kami sa mall na hindi namin alam kung saan. Tignan nyo ang cellphone namin. Parehong low-bat. Kasi naman, picture ng picture. Yung mga kasama namin makikipagkita sa River Vibe Bar. May talat no yun. Nagtanong kami kay ate na hindi niya maintindihan. Tinuro niya kami dito. Ayaw pa magtanong ni mami. Itatanong mo lang naman where is talat no eh.
Hindi nga nila naintindihan ang pronunciation ko.
Ang tanging may charge na lang sa amin ay itong camera na ito. Kaya kung ito na ang huling message na matatagpuan nyo kami. Dito lang kami sa IM Park tatanda. Naman sabi ni Sid, ang River Vibe Bar daw ay malapit sa Walampong. Mayroon pa akong 1% nung bumaba kami ng istasyon. Pag search ko dun sa River Vibe Bar, 14 minutes walk pa iyon.
Meron to kape pa. Kita nyo?
May kapibara.
Ayun, mayroong goods. Sawadee ka! Hello! Malayo? Malayo?
Yeah, it's far. Look. Magaling na mag-English si ate kaso hindi na namin alam paano gagawin. Layo na nanlakad namin. Hindi ko na alam paano pabalik. We don't know what to do. We wanna go home. You don't wanna go there now? We don't wanna go to River Vibe Bar anymore. Because we lost contact to our friends there. So I think it's better to just go home in our apartment. Where's the apartment? 462
Road?
Yeah, 462
No, I think I know the spelling.
It's you can drop us off in Wat Mangkon train.
okay.
Wat Mangkon.
Actually, if you're walking on Mangkon, it's pretty close.
But we don't know how to go back in the MRT.
I can order a ride for you with Mangkon.
Yes. Yay! You're our lifesaver.
Okay. Where are you from?
Philippines. Our last day is tomorrow. And we just get lost today.
I can go with you because I have to check the license.
Okay, yay! Thank you so much.
No problem.
Sorry for disturbing
No,
you.
it's okay. I'll almost finish with the class anyway.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yes.
Do you want?
Yes.
Okay. Sure.
I'll just take a photo of yours.
These are the only devices we have.
It's the most unique way of exchanging Instagram experience.
Actually, you can follow us.
Ah, yeah, you can find us.
I think that is easier.
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Goodbye.
Come ka. Thank you.
Buti na lang tama ang pinagtanungan ko. Update lang guys. Kami ay makauwi na dahil thank you kay ate. Pero may isa pa kaming problema ni mami. Dahil hindi niya kabisado ang code. Sama na namin si Sid. You know what to do. Please like, share, hit the notification bell below, and click that subscribe button. Flying peace.